Welcome back to ninth class English. The name of the story is the trunk of Ganesh. You know Ganesh is a god, Indian god. God of a Hindu belief. Right? Ganesh, we observe Ganesh Puja, the Saraswati Puja. We have, there are so many gods, deities, goddesses. Right? So here is a story. The name of the story is the trunk of Ganesh. You know, the nose of Ganesh is very long because Lord Ganesh's face is the elephant's face. So Lord Ganesh has a trunk, right? You know the story of Ganesha, mythology, the Ganesha. Okay, look at your book. What do you know about superstitions? Superstitions means, do you know what is it? On the kusanskara. Blind belief is called andhavishwasa. Superstitions are kusanskaras. In our society, there is a prevalent of different traditions and customs. So that means we come across different traditions and superstitions, customs in our society. This is a Hindu way of living. The class will be divided into 4 groups. That is not necessary. It is a instruction given to the teacher how to lead the class. So let's move. Question: do you believe in supernatural powers? Do you believe means तुम्हें विश्वास करो कि in supernatural powers? Yes, we believe in supernatural powers. That is miracle. You remember we have already come across the word miracle, Aulokika. We believe in supernatural powers. We believe that God comes in human form and do a lot of things to save humanity. We believe these are described in our mythology and sacred books. They are nothing but the act of supernatural powers. Next, can this be scientifically proved? No. No science can prove these supernatural powers. But yes, science cannot prove, but science follows it. Science makes research on these supernatural power beliefs. Yes. We will now read the story The Trunk of Ganesh. It tells us how the trunk of Ganesh breaks every night. Here is a story. In this story, it is said that every night the trunk of the Ganesh is broken. Is it because of God's anger or is it the doing of some supernatural being? Let's read the story. The question is it because of God's anger? भगवानଙ୍କର ରାଗ ଯୋଗୁଁ ହେଉଛି or is it the doing of some supernatural being? କିଛି ଗୋଟେ ଅଲୌକିକ ଶକ୍ତି ଦ୍ୱାରା କିମ୍ବା ସତ୍ତା ଦ୍ୱାରା ହେଉଛି ବୋଲି The story begins like this. Look at your book. It was just one of those days. In those days, some years ago, in the past, when nothing seemed to go right for Govinda Maharana, once there was a artisan. His name was Govinda Maharana, and there was a bad period for Govinda Maharana, and nothing did not go in favor of Govinda Maharana. Everything went against him. Could understand it? Once again, there was this unhappy incident which kept bothering him. Could understand? Once it happened, and unhappy days. Once it happened, an unhappy incident took place. Right? An unhappy incident took place, and it bothered Govinda Maharana a lot. Govinda Maharana was worried by it. Govinda Maharana was troubled by it, by that incident. So we don't know what is the incident. Let's read the story to know what is the incident that troubled Govinda Maharana. Right? At sunrise, you remember just we came across the water rise. So at sunrise, he finished his bath in the courtyard. Generally, in the morning we take bath. We finish our bath. Who finished his bath? Govinda Maharana. When? In the morning. Where? In the courtyard. Aganare. Took bath and took a glass of tea. And had a glass of tea from his wife's hand, made by his wife. Whose wife? Govinda Maharana's wife. His fingers suddenly slackened. Whose fingers?
Govinda Maharana.
Slackened means his fingers suddenly slackened means lose ହେଇଗଲା. The ଆଙ୍ଗୁଠି ହଠାତ୍ became slackened, weak. And the glass slipped from his hand. What happened? The glass slipped from Govinda Maharana's hand. ଖସିକିରି ପଡ଼ିଗଲା. It was his first conscience. It was his first conscious knowledge of the fear he carried. And he was scared. Govinda Maharana was scared, frightened. First conscious knowledge of the fear he carried. The superstition, that is Kusanskara. Haunted, I remember, we have already discussed this word haunted. This is haunted in his mind for a long time. Where? In the poem Solitary Repair. The girl's song haunted in the poet's mind for a long time. You remember the word. So, barambar asila. The superstition haunted him throughout his life. जीवन जाक खाली से सुपरस्टिशन ता मन को आसला. Whose?
Govinda Maharana.
Govinda Maharana's mind. This day there was a special reason for his gloomy sadness. Vishada Vishanna, sadness. Sad. This day there was a special reason, स्वतंत्र कारण for his gloomy. तार विषाद विषणर गोटे स्वतंत्र कारण थिला टेंस मैनर गोविंद मान वाज ए वेरी टेंस फॉर इट वाज द थर्ड डे इन ए सक्सेशन लगातार 3 दिन धरी that such a thing had happened and this incident happened for 3 days in a succession लगातार रे the glass slipped down from his hand every morning every day for 3 days in a succession. There was no gap at all. Could you understand? The day before yesterday and also today the glass slipped from Govinda Mana's hand. Govinda had learnt the trade from his father. Which trade? Making idols, मूर्ति तैयारी करिया trade व्यवसायटा. Govinda had learnt the trade from his father. Which trade? Making idols.
गोविंद महाराणा.
Age had his father from his father's father. Govinda Mahana was doing a trade that was idol making. Govinda Mahana learnt the trade from his father. Govinda Mahana's father learnt that had learnt that trade from his father and the father learnt from his father, from his father, from his father. Could you understand? This is their family business. Their forefathers did it and Govinda Mahana is also doing it. Right? So had his father from his father's father. The substance of the art of idol making means मूर्ति तैयारी करिबा. Trade. This is a trade. What was Govinda Mahana? What trade was Govinda Mahana doing? Govinda Mahana was doing the trade of idol making. The Durgas and the Ganesha and the Shivas. Govinda Mahana used to make the idols of Durgas, the Ganeshas and the Shivas. Perhaps I have no right, he told his wife. Who told it? Govinda Mahana told to his wife. What did Govinda Mahana say? Perhaps I have no right. मोर अधिकार नहीं. To meddle with the private life of gods. Meddle ले मुंड पुरेबा. हस्तक्षेप करिबा. भगवानंकर तांकर निजर घरोई कथारे हस्तक्षेप करिबा. Perhaps I don't have a right. Govinda Mahana says to his wife that he does not have right to interfere in the business of or in the private affairs of gods. भगवानंकर तांकर घरोई समस्या भितर मुंड पेड़ार अधिकार नहीं बोलिकी कहले. That is why they are angry. That is why gods are angry with Govinda Mahana. Govinda Mahana believes it. Govinda Mahana says it to his wife. Oh dear, hey Priye, as I have not interfered in the private affairs of God, perhaps God is angry with me. Govinda Mahana said. Perhaps बोधव्या I have been afflicted using my powers too carelessly. What carelessly means?
যত্ন
যত্নহীন ভাବରେ using my powers and the icons means ideals gods I have been making are not exactly those my father would have made to his time. Govinda Mahana admits that he could not make the ideals as their forefathers made. As their forefathers did. ମୋର ବେଫିକର କ୍ଷମତାର ପ୍ରତି ପ୍ରୟୋଗ ଯୋଗୁଁ ବୋଧେ ମୋର ବାପା ଗୋସେଇ ବାପାମାନେ ଯେଉଁ ପ୍ରକାର ଆଇଡ଼ିଅଲ୍ସ ଆଇକନ୍ସ ତିଆରି କରିପାରୁଥିଲେ ମୁଁ ସେଇଭଳିଆ ତିଆରି କରିପାରୁ ନାହିଁ. ଇଟ୍ ଇଜ୍ ବିକଜ୍ ଅଫ୍ ମାଇ କେୟାରଲେସ୍ ୟୁଟିଲାଇଜେସନ୍ ଅଫ୍ ପାୱାର ଏଣ୍ଡ ସୁଲୋଚନା. What did I say?
सुलोचना.
Who was Sulochana?
गोविंद महाराणा's
Wife. Govinda Mahana's wife. Sulochana looked at her husband with frightened eyes. Who looked at whom? Sulochana looked at his husband with her frightened eyes. That means Sulochana was frightened. Perhaps he was right. She thought. Who thought? Sulochana thought that her husband was right and husband was saying the right thing. But maybe he was growing older. Maybe means हुएत he was going older, बुढ़ा ହେଇଗଲାଣି and his hands and eyesight were not as strong as before. That's why he could not make ideals in a perfect manner. Right? You must be tired working without a break, she said. She said to her husband, no dear, perhaps you are certainly tired of doing the ideals. तमें आइडियल करी तमें पूरा क्लांत हो गलानी. her words betraying her simplicity. तार सरलता ताको कौन कर प्रतारणा कर दूला. उपहास करता बिट्री प्रतारणा करवा प्रवंचना. एज द हु बिट्रेड लेंचो. Who betrayed Lencho? The rain. Right, the hailstorm betrayed Lencho. Who betrayed Mahatma Gandhi? The cloud betrayed Mahatma Gandhi, remembered. Similarly, her consolating words, kind words betrayed Govinda Mahana's simplicity. तार सरल मन को सी बुझी जाऊला. येस इट इज द फैक्ट. यू नो व्हाट डे इट इज. ही स्टडीड हेयर फॉर ए मोमेंट एंड कंटिन्यूड. एंड आई एम ऑलरेडी लेट ऑन द लार्ज गणेश. हु सेड इट? गोविंद महाना. What had gone wrong? What had
gone wrong?
कौन भूल हो जाइछि? He could not understand. Making an image was child's play for him. He could not understand. He could not understand. से बुझी पाउनी. Making an image was childship for him तापई कापई idol making that is a big thing, but for Govinda Mahana it is a child's play. Only in this case the idol was somewhat larger than most. The trunk a little heavier, सुंडुटा टिके ओजुनिया हो जाइए, ए ट्राइफल लॉन्गर टिके लंबा हो जाइए, ट्राइफल लॉन्गर इन ओरिया
सामान्य लंबा.
right. That was that's all, nothing else. Perhaps the clay he had been using जो माटी से व्यवहार करी आसी थिला had been using, past perfect continuous, was just that measure sort of its adhesive quality. What is adhesive quality? पकड़ना, भिड़िकी धरी पारुने, धरी रखे भिड़िकी धरी रखे, that is adhesive quality which makes for a smooth tight binding. Smooth, अति सहजबोध्य and tight binding, जोर भिड़ी धरिबा, right? So we have already started reading the story. What is the name of the story?
The trump of Ganesh.
Ganesh. We will have more study, more reading about the story in our next class. Till then, bye. Thank you.
It's
It's
okay.
okay.